Hey guys, it's me, your Jenny girl.
Dito na. Dito na sila.
Outfit check ng mag-dada.
Andyan na.
Outfit check to, hindi to picture. Outfit check, outfit check. Ayan, naka-rash guard na, black.
Sabi mo, for
Outfit
free.
check lang to. Outfit check, outfit check. Day 2. Ano lang, rash guard. Outfit check. Ganun. Si Ma'am Early, outfit check. Ano, take it off. Outfit check. Nangudra ko, main chan mo! Grabe kami. Outfit check to, outfit check. Mamaya daw yung i-reveal. Outfit check, rash guard. Halika na. Nasaan na si isa? Si Ate Cynthia. I-outfit check ko eh. Check. Outfit check. What is your outfit for today's video?
Outfit check nga.
Oh my God! Ano siya? Hirap lang po yan. Mamaya mo i-outfit check mo rin naman ako. Outfit check mo rin ako.
Outfit check. Day 2. Day 2. Mamayang swimsuit. Pag-uwi.
Mamaya i-review.
Let's go for the second, day 2.
Oo nga, day 2 na.
Hello.
Kuya, let's go na ba?
Ito nga, para sa cellphone, para sa gamit.
Kayo na lang po. Outfit check. Outfit check. What is your outfit for today's video? Kasi na-outfit check ko na sila lahat eh.